How to lock folders in Windows 11 device. In this video, I will show you how can you easily lock your folders in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards the folder which you want to lock. Right click on its name and in the menu you will see the option of Properties. Simply click on it. In Properties section at the top menu, you see the option of General. Simply click on it and after that click on Advanced. Then after in the Advanced attribute, below you see the option of Encrypt contents to secure data. Simply check that feature and click on OK. Then after, you need to click on Apply. Before affirming the change, you need to also take the option of Apply changes to this folder, subfolder and files so that it locks everything in this folder. Now this was the first method to lock folders in Windows 11. Next method is to use WinRAR application. For that, firstly you need to download the application in your device and direct to the folder which you want to lock. Again right click on it and now in this little menu, when you have downloaded the application WinRAR, you will see it option. After that, in archive name and parameters, you need to choose the option of delete files after archiving and then after choose the option of set password. Once you click on the feature of set password, you will be directed to the menu box where you need to create a password for your locked folder. After you have entered your password, click on OK. So that's it. That is how easily you can lock your folders on Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.